So this is for my friend in school who wants to learn percentages because he has forgot how to do them, and Saturday's coming up, so we've got to help him. So first, I'll explain how to do it for you. Let's do like 15% of there's loads of chat, random chats. Don't mind the orange. So first we're going to do like 15% of 17,453. So what you got to do to find 10%, right? So 10%, it's the same as dividing the answer by 10. So, classmate who sits next to me, what is 17,543 divided by 10? Yeah, probably got it wrong. I'm going to just tell you. It is 1,754.3. This is more complicated. I want an easier one. I'm just trying to explain how to do it. So 10% is just divide the number you get by 10. So yeah, so 10% is the same as dividing the number by 10. So we've got that. But to find the 5%, you divide the 10% by 2. So if what you get for dividing the first answer by 10 is what you got to divide by 2. So basically, you would do for this question, it would do 1,754.3 divided by 2. And I know it's hard, just grab a piece of paper and do the bus method. I'm going to try work it out. So half of 0.3 is 0.15. Half of 4 is 2. Oh no, I've got to do the other way. Let's try bus stop. So basically we have, was it 2? I'm figuring out how we can do this. Let's do this way. So 2, just don't do a top. And what is it? 17. No. I am having to do a lot of we'll just do some zeros just in case. Like we have to go over it. So what we got to do now is get on the line above it. And 2 divided by 1 is 0. Line up. So 1 plus 7. So it's basically 17 for the next one, which is 8 for that. And then it goes, so look, I have a plan. So there's it showing 17. 2 times 8 is 16, that means remainder 1 going on to the 5 to make that 15. And 2 divided by 15 is 7. Remainder 1 after that, so we'll put 7 where the 5 is. And then put the 1 after. That makes 14 divided by 2 is 7. Right, and then we go on to the 3. The 3 divided by 2 is 1. Is 1. Get it? 9 is 1, and then you have 1 remainder here. So 2 divided by 10 is 5. So our answer is 877.15. If you didn't get this, go back over it and I'll try to explain later as well. So now what you got to do is just, you can leave that in your books or your paper, and I'll just do the steps there, like what you got to do, and I'll show you what to do now. So you found out 10%, now you got to add the 5% to it. So you add 1,754.3 with 877.15. So we'll just add a 0 onto the 3 there, so it makes it easier. We've got to do like a plus here, move these a bit of space. Okay, so it should look like this, but the plus goes next to the 8. Yeah, like that. Wait, let me just... Okay, then you'll have the thing separating it, but we can't do that. So first we've got to start underneath here. I'll just do loads of zeros because I can't get over that. Oh, that's not working, is it? Well, anyway, just keep on doing zeros, and then... 5 plus 0 is 5, so we'll put 5 there. Take away that 0, and 3 plus 1 is 4, so you've got 0.45 there, and you put a decimal point. Okay, then you can just go like that and put loads of spaces until it reaches... This is on 1, so just copy my steps, and then after you've done that, you got to find what 7 plus 4 is, which is 1. No, I mean 11. And you got to have that 1 at the bottom. So basically, we'll just put a 1 over here. Oh no, we can't. So what you got to do now is just remember that one. Just put a 1 underneath the 5 and 7. Like not in the column, but underneath. And what you got to do is add 5 and 7, which is 12. And add that 1 onto 12, which would be 13. So you'd put a 3 there. And remember, you always got to add that 1. And so you do 8 plus 7, which is 15. Plus the 1 would be 16. So you got to add the 1 again. Remember adding the 1. After that, 1 plus 0 is 1, but add the 1 on is 2. There would be your answer. 263. No, it's 2,631.45. Now we're going to go on the calculator and see if I was correct. Wait, I forgot what the... Yeah, so 17,543. Go on the calculator. 15%. 17. Wait, what was it? 543. Oh, that's not. It's supposed to be percent. Oh, well. It's another way to do this. Okay, we'll just ask Google instead. So, what is 15% of 17,543? Is that 543? 263. 2631.45. Is that what we got? Exactly. 2631.5. Yeah, that's what we got. So hooray. Keep on rewinding this if you do not get it until you actually get it. So now we're just going to go on to our next method. So then you're going to have easier ones like this. Probably like 17% of like 9,600. It's pretty easy, isn't it? So remember, all you got to do is find 10%. So you divide that by 10. 9,600 divided by 10 would be 960. So you keep, so if you want to remember that, you could put 10% equals 960. So what you got to do now that you found 10%, you can find 1% and times that by 7. So 1% equals 96. 1% equals 96. So if you do 96 times 7, so 6 times 7 first would be 42, 7 times 9, 630, plus 42 would be 402. And 402 plus 960. Is that right? I don't think that's right. Is that right? No, that's nowhere near right. Oh, so 90 times 7 is 630. Plus 42, 630. So we'll just do that. 630 plus 42 would be 672. And then you'd add 672 and 960. So let's do that quick. So add 40 onto the 900, make 1,000. 1,672 minus 40. 1,000, let's write that down. 1,632. That's your answer. 17% of 9,600. Or if you want to do the 1% another way, you could find out 5%. So you half 960. So 960 divided by 2. So what you got, just do a bus method for this. Do a bus method. So if you don't know what a bus method is, search it up and then come back to this. So you'd pretty much do it. You'd find out. Pause the video right now because I'm not going to say it in a while. I'll give you time to do your bus method. I'll give you 20 seconds. No, I lied. So if you got 480, you are correct. So 480. So if you got 480, you are correct. And then you got to find out 1%. Remember, which is 96. And times 96 by 2. Okay, I'll give you a bit to work it out. Are you done? Because it is 192. And then add them together. I'll give you some time to add them together. If you got 672, I'm pretty sure you are correct. Because if we go down here, we got 672. That is correct. we've got to add 960 and 672 together, which we had got 1,632. That is how to do percentages. You can do this on others by just doing the divided by 10 steps, half it steps. That's all you got to do. If it's 1%, you pretty much just divide it by 100. There you go. There's the maths.